Good afternoon, my dears. How are you? I hope you are fine at your home, right or not? Yes. So, my dear kids, before starting our class, we always do prayer. So, all of you join your hands and close your eyes. Again. Again. Rub your hands and touch on your face. Again, rub your hands and touch on your face. Again, rub your hands and touch on your face. So, my dear student, I am your teacher. My name is Mahajan, right? So, my dear student, tell me, what is the name of your school? What is the name of your school? So, how you will say? The name of my school is Gokuldas Public School. How you will say? The name of my school is Gokuldas Public School. Very good. In which class you are studying? In which class you are studying? So, how you will say? I am studying in class Nursery. What you will say? I am studying in class Nursery. Very good, my dear student. So, my dear, we have learned many rhymes, right? So, today we are going to learn a new rhyme. Today we are going to learn a new rhyme and a new letter. Introduction of new letter, right? Today we are going to learn new rhyme and introduction of a new letter, right? So, are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, before starting your class, let's have some fun. All of you stand up. Yes, stand up, all of you. Raise your hand and make flower. Raise your hands and make flowers. Very good. Make flowers. Very good. Now put your hands down. Again, raise your hand and make flower. Very good. Fast. Slow. Now make flower slow. Again fast. Now slow. Very good. Put your hands down. So, my dears, today we are going to learn a new rhyme. The name of the rhyme is Yankee Doodle. The name of the rhyme is Yankee Doodles, right? Yankee Doodles went to town. Say all of you. What you have to repeat after me, right? Yankee Doodle went to the town, riding on a pony. Right? Yankee Doodle went to town, riding on a pony. He stuck his feather on his head. He stuck his feather on his hat and called it macaroni. And called it macaroni. Again we will say. Yankee Doodle went to town, riding on a pony. He stuck a feather in his hat. He stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni. Right? Again we will say, you have to also say with me with action. What you have to do? You have to also say with me with action. Yankee Doodle went to town. Again, Yankee Doodle went to town, riding on a pony. Again, let's say, Yankee Doodle went to town, riding on a pony, and stuck a feather in his hat, and stuck a feather in his head and called it macaroni. And called it macaroni. Look here, I will show you. Look here, all of you. This is Yankee Doodle, right? And is going to town. Riding on a pony. This is pony. What is this? Pony. Right? And he stuck a feather in his hat. Look here. He stuck his feather in his hat and called it macaroni. Right? Look here. This is Yankee Doodle going to town, riding on a pony. Yankee Doodle went to town, riding on a pony. This is pony, right? He stuck a feather in his hat. He stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni. And called it macaroni. Right? Right, my dears? So, did you enjoy this rhyme? Did you enjoy this rhyme? Right. So you have to practice this rhyme every day at your home. So now, today I am going to introduce a new letter. Today I am going to introduce a new letter. We have learned letter L, T, I, E, F, H, right? We have done all this letter. Now, today I will introduce you new letter. This letter is A. Which letter is this? A. Which letter is this? A. Which letter is this? A. Say all of you. Which letter is this? A. 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 Right? Which letter is this? A. So there are so many things which come from letter A. Right? There are so many things which come from letter A. Look here. All of you look here. What is this? What is this? Look here. What is this? Are you able to see? Are you able to see? What is this? It's flying in the sky. Right? This is aeroplane. This is aeroplane. What is this? This is aeroplane. Look here. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. What is this? This is aeroplane. It's flying in the sky. This is aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Now look here. What is this? Do you like to eat this? Yes. A for apple. A for apple. A for apple. What is this? This is apple. A for apple. Look here. A for apple. What is the color of apple? Red. What is the color of apple? Red. Look here, it is good for health. Do you eat apple? आप apple खाते हो? So you have to eat apple daily. What you have to do? You have to eat apple daily. So A for apple. Right? Now, okay. A for aeroplane. the direction. Arrow show the direction, that where you have to go. So A for arrow. A for arrow. A for arrow. A for arrow. A for arm. A for arm. A for arm. A for arm. A for and means cheetah. And means cheetah. आप देखिए ना, you have seen red and black and yes. So A for and. A for and. A for and. A for and. Right? Now A for X. A for X. It is used to cut the wood, right? So A for X. A for X. A for X. A for ambulance. Look here. A for ambulance. What is this? A for ambulance. What is this? This is ambulance. A for ambulance. Whenever someone got sick and they can't able to go, so we call ambulance. What we call? Ambulance. This is ambulance. ये ambulance है. जब कोई बीमार हो जाता है, उसको हॉस्पिटल ले जाना होता है, तो हम किस में ले जाते हैं? एम्बुलेंस में. सो दिस इज एम्बुलेंस. ए फॉर एम्बुलेंस. ए फॉर एम्बुलेंस. ए फॉर एम्बुलेंस. दिस इज एम्बुलेंस. ए फॉर एम्बुलेंस. राइट. नाउ नेक्स्ट लुक हियर. A for ant. A for ant. A for ant. A for ant. Right? You have ant. Right? You have. So A for ant. So we have learned so many things from letter A. Now look here of you. One more thing I have to show from A. Look here. A for alligator. A for alligator. A for alligator. Look here. A for alligator. A for alligator. Look here. There are so many things which start from letter A. We start from letter A. Look here. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A for alligator. A for alligator. A for arrow. A for arrow. A for X. Look here. This is X. A for X. A for apple. A for apple. A for ant. A for ant. A for ant. Now look here. A for ant. A for ant. A for ant. This is ant. Right? So we have learned many things from letter A. We start from letter A. A for aeroplane. A for alligator. A for arrow. A for apple. A for ant. A for ant. A for X. A for air. Air means Hawa. A for air. You can see the air? No. You can see the air? No. So you can feel the air? Yes. Whenever air comes, you know na? Air is coming? Yes. So A for air. Air means Hawa. A for air. Right? So today we have learned many things. Let's start from letter A. A for aeroplane. A for apple. A for arrow. A for arm. A for X. A for ant. A for ambulance. A for aunt. A for egg.